It's all smiles between Bonang and Somizi. After a bitter public fallout, former besties Bonang and Somizi seem to have buried the hatchet and were all smiles for the camera at a recent event. The former BFFs were snapped along with Babes Wodumo on the set of Tropika Smooth Fan. B and Somizi could be seen holding each other with massive smiles, as if they're pals again. While the rumor mill went into overdrive with speculation that Somizi and Bonang seemed to have rekindled their friendship, she previously told SUBCRIBE that they were professional to each other but definitely weren't friends. We are professionals. At the end of the day, we are in the same industry and we are often in the same spaces. The industry is so small and we know that we are going to bump into each other. We greet each other. We are very polite. I don't try to disrespect him, but that is where it ends. We are not friends, she said at the time.
Yeah.